Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for spending your time to watch my videos. I'm very much grateful. Someone asked me in the comment section, I forgot to highlight that particular comment here, what are my top survey sites? So, and that's why I decided to make this video. It won't be long because I'll just be listing my top 5 survey sites. Remember, these survey sites I'm going to display here are according to my views. I know other people have their best survey sites, but the ones I'm going to show you here today are the ones which I think are best because I have earned something from them. So my #1, of course, survey site, for those people who know me, I like Prim Opinion so much, and other sister sites. Prim Opinion, the owners of Prim Opinion have other sites, and I'm going to show two more of them, which are among my favorite. The reason why I like Prim Opinion, they have many surveys, they have various reward system, they give you bonuses, they give you daily challenges, such that the more you earn, the more you go up the levels, the more you'll be getting more bonuses, and the more you'll be getting more high paying surveys. And the minimum payment can be even $2, depending with the method of cashing out that you need. And also their payment is instant. So if you have never heard about Prim Opinion, go check them out. They have very good surveys, and they have multiple ways of cashing out, and their cash out is instant. And they support PayPal, ACH with deposits, they support gift cards, Visa gift cards, and so much for. So check them out and give me the feedback under the comment section of this video. The another one is called 5 surveys. 5 surveys and Prim Opinion are from the same owners, but the only difference with 5 surveys is that every single survey is priced around $1. So no matter how long or short the survey you do on 5 survey is $1. So in 5 surveys you are paid by the number of surveys you complete. So if you're a good survey taker and you complete like 50 surveys in a day, that you are guaranteed to get $50 in a day, just like that. And remember, the payment options are like the Prim Opinion. They support PayPal, gift cards, ACH deposits, that's through your bank, and they have no minimum payout, and the withdrawals are instant, just like Prim Opinion. They are very good. So if you are a pro in taking surveys, you are paid here by the number of surveys you complete. Every single survey is $1. So once you complete the $5 here, you just claim your reward, and that's all. And then another site which is my favorite is Heycash. This one is also from the family of Prim Opinion and 5 surveys, and they also have very good high paying surveys, and they pay, remember Prim Opinion, they pay in dollars, the pricing is in dollars. This one is you are paid by the number of surveys you complete, and each survey is $1. Here they pay you in terms of points. 1000 points is around I think $10 also, I don't know, yeah, $10 there. So, and the minimum payout is just $5 or $2 depending with the mode of cashing out, and their cash out is instant. And you can see they support so many payment options: bank transfer, ACH, or deposit. They support so many options of cashing out, even PayPal, and the cash out is instant. They also have game offers. For gamers, you can go to the offer section and complete games. Even 5 surveys and Prim Opinion have game offers. So if you're good in completing games, you can go there and try your luck. And they are very high paying. And also they have Android and iOS apps for those interested in working on using your mobile devices. So Heycash is another good one. Minimum payout is between $2 to $5 depending with the mode of withdraw you're using. And also they have various bonuses and earning levels. The more you earn, the more your level goes up, and whenever you go to a new level you get a reward, and the higher you go, the more you'll be getting high paying surveys from them. So my fourth site is Freecash. This site never gets old. It's the one of the best. Initially when they were starting, they never used to ask for ID verification and so much stuff. But nowadays, if they suspect and suspicious activity on your account, they're going to ask you to do ID verification. But if you are lucky and everything is well on your account, you might be able to work on them without any issues. So remember, they can even pay you using cryptocurrency, which is my favorite, and their cash out is instant. They have so many ways of cashing out, and their cash out is very, very instant. Yeah, this is one of the oldest. I don't want to log into my account now. This is one of the oldest survey sites, and it's one of the among the highest paying survey sites in this survey business. You can see they have many ways of earning. You can complete tasks on apps, you can try free trials, you can do surveys, you can do games, casinos. Yeah, in fact they have very high paying game offers. Yeah, and the payment is instant, and they can pay you through gift cards, Visa, bank deposits, cryptocurrency, PayPal, whichever form you think of. They support almost all forms of cashing out that you want. Then my last site is called Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a very good survey site. They also support paying, is a GPT site, get paid to do site. They have various tasks like doing surveys, completing offers. They offer cashback rewards whereby you submit your receipts for your shopping and you get paid depending on your country. You see, cashback shopping online and in-store. There are so many ways of making money on Swagbucks, and they support so many ways of cashing out like PayPal, gift cards, and so many other things. But their payment is not instant. It takes between 1 to 3 days to drop. And also if they suspect suspicious activity on your account, they might ask you for ID verification and number verification. And they ask for number verification on each cash out. So be sure to have a number, a permanent number from your country. Make sure you have a permanent number for your country. That's what I want to mean, because you'll be asked to do verification on each and every cash out. And be aware, they can ask you to do identity verification. So those are the major things you should know about Swagbucks. Yeah, and if you have a VPS or remote desktop, you just need to get a number verification, and they won't ask you for what? For ID verification. I think the ID verification comes when you keep on changing your IP address. But if you stick to one static residential proxy or address, I think you're not going to have any issues working on Swagbucks. So in short, those are my top 5 survey sites. Remember there are others, and the list is subjective to my views, and you can also add more survey sites that you think are the best under the comment section of this video. I would like to see what other people are working on. Maybe I can try them also and add them to my list here. So guys, if you watch this video, go to the comment section and tell me the other sites that you think are the best and I have not mentioned here on this video. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.